Welcome to Bitcoin Fantasy. It's time to explore NFT games. As February draws to a close, a month in which cryptocurrencies are struggling to withstand sharp declines, and one of them is the veteran blockchain we're featuring today. We're highlighting the best games on the Silver Network. Most will be free and all will be interesting. Let's wrap up the intro and play, regardless of the price drops. Created and developed on the Ethereum smart contract blockchain, we find the next project that you may not know called Blocklords. It is an RPG that combines medieval strategy and that we have available for free for mobile and computers from the famous Epic Game Store. In this MMO, players shape their destiny, choosing their path, whether it is the peaceful life of a farmer, the protective station of a knight, the battle-hungry mantle of a raider, the noble role of lord or lady, or the almighty title of ruler. Everyone starts out as a simple farmer. Your progress and actions will take you down the path you choose. Once you have gathered enough resources, it will be your decision to become a knight or a raider. For free, you will be assigned a character at the beginning with which you can collect, extract, process, and create various materials to refine them and convert them into usable currency, including managing animals and livestock. In the fight, you will be able to create your own army, and if you are successful in your battles, you will be able to ascend to the highest rank of all, which would be the role of ruler. With new features like conquest, governing your nations, managing your city's currencies, national policies, diplomacy, research, and a host of strategic tasks that will delight fans of this genre, the economy is bolstered by its main token, LRDS. Important in the entire governance ecosystem, and being useful in multiple in-game functions that will bring you considerable advantages. As will the hero NFTs, which will significantly increase your progress in the game. If you decide to buy an NFT character, you can skip a lot of the start as a farmer and embark on your adventures directly on the battlefield. In short, it is an RPG with a strong focus on strategy and kingdom management. For those who are strategic, it will like it. Created and developed on the Ethereum smart contract blockchain, we find the following project with a huge and very interesting community called Pirate Nation. It is an RPG with a combination of TCG with beautiful art that we will find available for free on mobile and for computers from the browser itself. It offers players an exciting adventure on the high seas where they can collect materials for crafting, treasure, and pirate gold. Players can collect and send pirates on exciting expeditions where they can collect materials for crafting, treasure, and pirate gold. As pirates embark on various adventures, they gain valuable experience points, allowing them to level up and increase their skills. Missions, combat, and defeating bosses are the heart of the game. Players can participate in an early version of the mission system, which will allow their pirates to gain XP, gold, and resources. Completing advanced missions unlocks more valuable missions and rewards. Combat requires thinking strategically about which card to use at each moment, selecting the right attack to inflict the most damage on enemies. It is divided into adventure combats against the machine and player versus player PvP combat implemented in later stages. The economy is reinforced by its main token named Pirate. It will be useful for purchasing gems, cosmetics, and other in-game activities. Gems will be the strong currency of the game and allow to speed up the timer and cover missing resources. Also, the whole NFT system is really crucial in the whole economy. There are pirates, objects, weapons, ships, and different items. Each pirate captain has an elemental affinity that provides advantages and disadvantages in combat against other elemental affinities. The size of this advantage is based on level. Experience includes additional damage to each attack. Other stats are speed and health. We hope you are enjoying this compilation. If so, please leave us a like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss out on upcoming free NFT games, airdrops, giveaways, DeFi investments, and different explorations that we do every day on the blockchain. Created and developed on the massive Ethereum blockchain, we have one of the most renowned projects in all of the networks, and many will know, called Big Time. It is a very popular RPG that we have available for free on both mobile and desktop. In this universe, cooperative role-playing games are combined with fast-paced action combat, the possibility of collecting NFTs, earning tokens, and a historical adventure, players will team up with friends to live adventures through time and space. Explore ancient mysteries and futuristic civilizations as you make your way through history. You will be able to delve into thousands of dungeons, each one procedurally generated, offering valuable rewards along the way. You can join teams of up to 6 players with different play styles to complete quests, obtain weapons and armor, and conquer dungeons by fighting various enemies. You will find various monsters lurking around you, with objectives that you must complete before facing the final boss fight of each dungeon to collect resources, find valuable rare items, and earn cryptocurrency. The character you control will have different classes and will increase with each new update. From warriors, mages, melee fighters, archers, and different classes, each with their own special characteristics and abilities, the various open-world maps feature a wide range of enemies from all eras and kingdoms, from large insects, robots, and even huge fearsome dinosaurs. The economy is supported by the main token with the same name of the project, Big Time, used throughout the in-game economy to purchase different items in stores, and hourglasses are needed to obtain this token. The goal is that as the player community expands, the demand for the currency will increase against a fixed supply. In addition, throughout the economy, NFTs of weapons, shields, armor can be sold in markets. Created and developed from the foundations of Ethereum, but also on its own HYCHAIN network, we find the next project called Hytopia. It is an RPG mixed in a pixel metaverse inspired by the popular acclaimed game Minecraft, available for free on both mobile and desktop. Players delve into this open world composed of mini-games, including platform modes. It combines the casual gameplay of playing with friends with the exploration of different maps, challenges, and unique features, all available at no cost. The parody is not only visual with the game created by Marcus Persson, but also in all its programming code, allowing creators to modify and improve existing content for different modes. Among the genres you can find in the ecosystem are role-playing games, strategy simulators, third- and first-person shooters. Your imagination will be the limit, because even if the genre you are looking for doesn't exist, you can create it yourself. The economic system is backed by its main token, Hytopia. It plays a central role in the entire ecosystem. Its utilities include governance votes, transaction fees, and can be earned through gameplay by completing missions in different worlds, selling items, and also, if you're a developer or world creator, you can receive it as a reward. NFTs are key to the economy, ranging from collectible NFT avatars, representing players, to in-game cosmetic items. And there are also NFT worlds, which in this case would be land NFTs. We could conclude that it's the most important and central collection on the platform because it represents ownership of each world. With it, you'll have the ability to build, program, and create experiences for all players. In short, if you like Minecraft and you like blockchain and cryptocurrencies, this project merges both worlds. Built and developed on the Ethereum smart contract blockchain, we have the next project with a large community called MetaCene. It is a sci-fi RPG that we have available for free on mobile and desktop. In this MMO, players enter an immersive apocalyptic universe, can explore vast landscapes, participate in intense PvP and PvE battles, and forge their destiny by creating or joining DAOs. Its combination of adventure, strategy, and community-driven governance offers an experience where every action personalizes the shape of the future of the game world. Immerse yourself in a world transformed by a catastrophic event, where players fight to survive, forge alliances, and shape their destiny in a new era. At the heart of the world is the opportunity for players to participate in monumental guild battles, not only for glory, but for control of resources, territories, and strategic points on the maps. You can form alliances with others in guilds or rivalries that shape the political landscape. You will find a sophisticated crafting system where players can create weapons, armor, and other essential items using resources from the world. Players can explore a variety of PvE scenarios, complete quests in dangerous territories, and delve into deep dungeons filled with formidable enemy monsters and valuable treasures. Another mode is PvP, which adds another layer of excitement. with open-world encounters, arena battles, and turf wars. Its economy is supported by two main tokens, MUD, useful in many game items including purchasing teleportation and resurrection, and the other currency, MAK, serving throughout the protocol's governance and being required in many scenarios, such as purchasing items that grant in-game advantages. In addition, NFTs are also part of the entire economic system, with several NFT items, including land NFTs, being included in this ambitious project. And with this interesting game, we will conclude this video. If all the information was useful to you now, you can click like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss upcoming free NFT games, airdrops, raffles, DeFi investments, and much more content that we work on daily. Write your comments below because we always read them. It is time to say goodbye, wishing you profitable investments or knowledge, and remember that if you have a Bitcoin fantasy, you should join us.